The dot plots represent the distributions of values in datasets A and B. Here we have two dot plots. One is for dataset A and the other one is for dataset B. Which of the following statements must be true? The first statement, the median of dataset A is equal to the median of dataset B. The second one, the standard deviation of dataset A is equal to the standard deviation of dataset B. Now let's check whether the first statement is true or false. In the first statement, we have the stuff of median of a dataset. We know that median is a positional value of a dataset. Whenever I want to find a median of a dataset, first I have to make sure the values in the dataset are arranged from least to greatest. Here, in both the datasets A and B over here, the values are arranged from least to greatest. Now, we have to get the number of values in each dataset. Let me count the number of values in dataset A. We have 1 value, 4 values, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. Okay, 1 positive 4, 5, 5 positive 2, 7, 7 positive 3, 10, 12, 16, 17. There are 17 values in dataset A. Now let me count the number of values in dataset B. 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2. Okay, here 6, 6 positive 8, 9, 11, 15, 15 positive 2, 17. 17 values we have in dataset B. Okay, now to get the median, we have to add 1 to the number of values we have in the data set, and it has to be divided by 2. Then we get 18 over 2, which is equal to 9. In each data set, the value which is at the 9th position is median. Now let's consider data set A. We have 7 values in the first 3 categories. When I add these 4 numbers, I am getting 10. That is, we have 10 values in the first 4 categories. So we have 7 values in the first 3 categories. From 8th value to 10th value, we have in the 4th category. So 9th value falls in the 4th category. So in the 4th category, the value we have over here is 13. That is, the median of data set A is 13. Now let's do the same thing for data set B. When I add these 2, 4 and 2, I am getting 8. We have 8 values in the first 3 categories and 9th value is in the 4th category. So the median is 13 for dataset B. So for both dataset A and dataset B, we have the same median, that is 13. So the first statement is correct because it says the median of dataset A is equal to the median of dataset B. Now let's consider the second statement. The second statement is about the standard deviation. Standard deviation is the measure of spread. Let's consider arithmetic mean for a dataset. In a dataset, if most of the values are closer to the arithmetic mean, then the standard deviation for that dataset will be smaller. In case the values in a dataset are far away, that is farther from mean, then the standard deviation for that particular dataset will be larger. Okay, here let's consider dataset A. Already we got the median, that is 13. And on the left side of the median, let's count the number of values. We have 1, 4, 2. There are 7 values on the left side of the median, and there are 7 values we have on the right side of the median. Since we have equal number of values on the left side and the right side of the median, the data set A can be considered as symmetric. In a symmetric data set, the median and mean are equal. Since already we got the median 13, the mean for data set A also must be 13. And there are 3 values which are equal to the mean 13. And most of the values in dataset A are closer to the mean. Since most of the values are closer to mean in dataset A, the standard deviation for dataset A will be smaller. Now let's do the same thing for dataset B. Here already we got the median, that is 13. On the left side of the median, we have 4 positive 2, 6, 8 values. On the right side of the median also we have 8 values. Since we have equal number of values on the left side and right side of the median, dataset B is considered to be symmetric. So the median and mean are equal in a symmetric data. Since already we got the median 13, the mean for dataset B also must be 13. And here there is only one value which is equal to the mean, 13, and most of the values are farther from the mean 13. So standard deviation for dataset B will be larger. So from the discussion we have done so far, it's very clear standard deviation for dataset B is larger than a standard deviation for dataset A. But the second statement says the standard deviation of data set A is equal to the standard deviation of data set B. That's false. So the second statement is false. So in the given two statements, only the first statement is true. We got one only in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.